What is the rule of three in comedy joke structure? Imagine telling a story or joke that feels just right, like a perfectly balanced scale. The secret behind many hilarious jokes is something called the rule of three. It's a simple but powerful way to make jokes land every time. Here's how it works. First, you introduce an idea or pattern with the first item. This sets the stage and helps the audience understand what's coming. For example, you might say, "I love my coffee black, my tea sweet." These two things create a pattern of preferences. Next, you reinforce that pattern with a second item. This makes the audience expect the third to follow the same trend. So you might add, "and my morning's non-existent." Now, the pattern is clear: preferences or habits. The audience is already smiling because they see where you're going. Then comes the punchline, the twist that breaks the pattern in a funny way. It's the surprise element that makes people laugh. For example, "I like my coffee black, my tea sweet, and my morning's non-existent." The first two set expectations, and the third surprises everyone with a funny, exaggerated twist. The reason this joke structure works so well is because humans are pattern seekers. We notice similarities quickly and expect them to continue. When the third element suddenly changes or defies expectations, it catches us off guard in a good way. That surprise is what triggers laughter. Using the rule of three in stand-up or storytelling involves making the first two items simple and clear so everyone gets the pattern. Then, pick a third that contrasts sharply but still makes sense in context. The timing of delivering that punchline is also key. A well-timed pause before the punchline can make the joke even funnier. This technique isn't just for verbal jokes. It can be used in physical comedy, storytelling, or even in visual gags. It's a flexible tool that helps build memorable, effective jokes. The pattern creates familiarity, and the twist keeps it fresh and funny. In the end, the rule of three is about setting up expectations and then surprising your audience in a way that makes them laugh. It's a simple idea but one that has been used by comedians for generations because it works so well. When you craft your jokes with this pattern, you're giving yourself a strong foundation for comedy that sticks with people.